Welcome to APEC 2025 in Atlanta. Come by the Power Integrations booth at 1519. We have more than 36 demonstrations here, including 3 live demonstrations.
At the show, we're introducing the new TinySwitch 5 product family. On the stand here, we have a demonstration of different reference designs showing the capability of the new product family that goes up to 190 watts.
Ready to design your first power supply? Come and join us, and we'll be happy to show and demonstrate how easy it is to use our online tool, the PI Expert.
We have a Hyper LCS2 family, which is half-bridge LLC resonant converters, fully scalable platform, 220 watt all the way till 1.6 kilowatt, compact, 40% reduction in component count, and more than 94% end-to-end system efficiency.
We have a new release software, Motor Expert 3, featuring a motion scope and a simplified UI.
We're bringing in our newest planar DER designs. We're able to get extremely thin designs and up to 120 watts, so come here and see them for yourself.
Our InnoMux 2 and InnoSwitch 3 EP technologies can use either 750 volt GaN, 900 volt GaN, 1250 volt GaN or 1700 volt GaN switch technology for different high voltage applications.
Come check out one of the most popular non-isolated buck converter products from Power Integrations for the small appliances market, the LinkSwitch TN2.
We have here InnoSwitch 5 Pro family of ZVS power supplies for USB PD 3.1 applications. It goes all the way till 36 volt 5 amp output for USB across wide variety of applications.
We have 13 different sessions throughout the conference. You can get the conference schedule at power.com on our event page. Come by our booth to check us out, 1519.